Hello, welcome to this new series of videos on the topic of AI ethics. Let's start with why do we need our AI systems to be ethical? Let us start with an example. Imagine you're riding a self-driving car and suddenly a child runs in front of it. Now the car has to decide whether it should protect you, the passenger, by swerving sideways. And by that, potentially it could hurt the child, or should it apply brakes immediately and risk injuring you. That is a split second decision that the AI system has to take. And just because it is split second decision does not mean that it can be anything random. Either of the two cases is fine. No, it has to be ethical. It should be morally correct. That is why we need our AI systems to be ethical, because lack of AI ethics can end up harming the users rather than benefiting them. Ethics in AI is like a moral compass. It helps us guide, do the right thing when designing these powerful tools. So if we take another example, then if it is a teacher grading a student versus an AI tool is grading a student, then the two should be equivalent, and only then it makes sense for the AI tool to replace the teacher. And we all know that a teacher is always more empathetic, has a broader view of the student's capabilities rather than a machine. So we have to design a system that has almost all the qualities of that teacher. And that is where an AI ethics framework would help us. So, what do we mean by AI ethics? For defining AI ethics, let's first define ethics. The dictionary tells us that ethics is nothing but a set of moral principles that govern your behavior and activity, any individual's behavior and activity. So that is ethics. And in terms of AI tools, it is a framework or a guideline that ensures that development of AI tools is done ethically, it is used ethically, and does not harm its users in any manner. These frameworks are designed for data scientists, researchers, developers, system designers, anybody who is involved in developing the AI systems. Because artificial intelligence isn't just about developing cool gadgets or robots. It is about creating powerful tools that would replace human beings in future. Because if AI is going to make decisions like who to hire or whether to approve a loan or not, or diagnosing a disease, then it should be able to act like a recruiter or a doctor or a bank manager. That means it needs to be fair, unbiased, it needs to be safe, and of course, take correct decisions. Like with humans, great power needs great responsibility. AI tools also, if they have great power, they must behave with great responsibility. And that is where the AI ethics frameworks can help. How do we design that framework? There are four big questions that we need to ask. The first one is it fair? Can we trust the AI system that we have created to treat everyone equally, irrespective of their educational background, demographic, gender? The next question to ask is our privacy safe? Now, we all know that these AI systems will collect a huge amount of personal data. So, what happens to all that data? Where does it go? Who has access to it? Is it being kept safe? Are hackers able to access it? So, these are all concerns that we need to take care of. The third is who is responsible for errors committed by the AI system? The user, or the person who is using at that point of time, or the person who owns that AI system, or the person or the group of people, the team who have designed that AI system, who takes the responsibility when AI system makes an error. And last but not the least, we need to ask ourselves, is the AI system we are going to create accessible? Will it benefit everyone, or is it designed just for a privileged few? So these are the four big questions on which the people involved in developing the system, you, me, anyone else, developers, coders, researchers, data scientists, they need to focus on these four questions and come up with a framework so that we build a future, an AI enabled future that is fair to everyone. It is not biased, it is not unsafe. Because AI has the power to do amazing things, but it has its own set of challenges as well. And understanding of these challenges will ensure that you understand why ethical thinking is important in building AI tools. Because if we don't address these issues beforehand, before building these tools that go on to be used by a wide range of people, then we might create a system that is unethical, that does not function morally. But know that with the right approach, with the right frameworks in place, we can create AI systems that are fair, safe, and beneficial for all. So, what are these four challenges? AI access, AI bias, data privacy, AI accountability. Now, I'll be dealing with all these four AI ethics challenges in separate videos, one for each of them. Please remember to watch those videos. I'll be provide links to them in the description. For this video, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate in asking. I promise to answer. You can also check out my blog on AI ethics. Again, I have provided the link in the description. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.